Bes, gusto ko sumali sa Miss Universe. Tulungan mo ako sa question and answer.
O sige game, what would you like to become?
Gusto ko maging Miss Universe.
Bes, lagyan mo naman ng lalim.
Gusto ko maging free diver.
Hindi ganong lalim, Bes.
Mali agad.
Bes, bigyan mo ko ng matinong sagot, yung professional.
Paglaki ko, gusto ko maging doktor para makatulong ako sa mahihirap.
Bes, matanda ka na, tsaka halo-halo yung sagot mo.
Bakit ko na magugustuhin maging halo-halo?
What is your motto in life?
Motto in life. An apple a day is 365 apples.
What is your edge compared to the other, hindi yung edad mo? Anong edge mo kumpara sa other contestants?
Ed Sheeran.
Pisting yaw. Do you have any special skills?
Wala po, ganda
Kung
lang.
magta-travel ka sa isang bansa, saan ka punta?
To the moon.
What is beauty?
Beauty is in the eyes.
Wag yan, common na yan.
Beauty is in the ears.
Anong ears? Tigilan mo ko sa ears.
Beauty and the Beast.
Any thoughts about children?
I believe the children are our
Alam ko yan, kanta yan, tigilan
I
mo.
believe I can
Yan
fly.
din.
I
Pati
believe
yan.
I don't believe in anything. Wala po akong pinaniniwalaan.
Do you have any important message to our world leaders today?
Nothing. Thank you.
Kung manalo ka bilang Miss Universe, ano una mong gagawin?
Ipopost ko sa Facebook.